In this video, I'll be showing the basic steps to evaluate this particular interval. Keeping in mind, again, we should algebraically manipulate as much as possible intermittently of each step. I'm going to first start by factoring out the pi and simplifying the squareds as best I can. So this one here will be 25, and I'm going to keep that minus sign there. In this one here, I'm going to distribute this negative to all three pieces and leave the squared for the time being. So I have 5 minus x squared plus 4x minus 5 quantity squared dx. My next step here is again to simplify this inside, and you'll notice that the positive 5 and the negative 5 will cancel each other out. And then I'll have something squared, in which case I will have negative x squared plus 4x quantity squared. I'm going to go ahead and square that, giving me a positive x to the fourth. I will end up having minus 4x cubed with another minus 4x cubed. And then 4 times 4 is 16x squared. Combining all the like terms here, I'll have x to the fourth minus 8x cubed plus 16x squared. Putting this back into this integral in place of this entire thing squared with a negative sign in front gives me the pi integral of x equals 1 to 4 of 25 minus x to the fourth plus 8x cubed minus 16x squared. Again, these signs all change, positive, negative, because of this negative here. Next step is to again integrate overall, and what I'll do is as I integrate, I'm going to rearrange the order of these things. I'm going to put my x to the fourth first, and therefore when I integrate, I'm going to have pi times a negative x to the fifth divided by 5 plus, looks like 8x to the fourth divided by 4 minus 16x cubed divided by 3, and then finally plus 25x divided by 1. I'm putting that 1 in there just to make sure that we remember that again every time we increase the power we divide by that power. This is going to be evaluated from x equals 1 to 4, and by plugging in each of these values, eventually simplifying numerically, we should end up with a number that is approximately equal to 222 pi divided by 5 by finding a common denominator in the end.